guys! Welcome back to my food channel. So tonight we're making fresh pesto pasta with this one. So pitasin muna natin yung basil leaves. And ito na yung ingredients guys. So basil, peanuts, garlic, calamansi, parmesan cheese, and olive oil for the sauce itself. And then ito na yung para dun sa pasta. We have linguini, parsley, shrimp, butter, and yung tomatoes. Ayan. So, lagay na lang natin lahat dito. Yung ingredients. Ito na yung finished product ng sauce. And then, add nyo na lang yung sliced tomatoes. Pasta with shrimp. Try nyo guys and then let me know kung okay siya. Thanks for watching! Bye!